Open Illustrator. Select A4 page. Type your text using the Type tool. Go to Window, Appearance Panel, Shift plus F6.
Click on Add New Fill in the Appearance panel. Apply gradient to this new fill from Gradient panel. Drag the fill below characters or adjust layers to control effect. Now your text has gradient and is still fully editable. No outline needed. Thank you. For more tricks like this, hit subscribe.